Today we're going to go from dancing like Frankenstein to dancing muy flamenca. And how we're going to do that is we're going to break down all the elements of our marcaje, our marking steps, to dance more grounded and with more expression. I'm Rina Orellana, I'm a flamenco dancer with over 25 years of experience, and I have an online flamenco studio where you can learn with me flamenco from the very beginning as a new beginner all the way through advanced levels in technique, choreography, and flamenco theory. There's a link below for your a free 10-day trial, and I also have a bunch of other resources in the description as well. But let's begin. So there really are some simple things that you can do to make your dancing at your marcaje feel and look grounded. So what happens when I see dancers looking kind of stiff while they're dancing, there's just a few little things. The first one is you want to relax and bend the knees a little bit. So the first level, so we're going to just do a side marking. So we have out, cross, out, back, step, step, step. So we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so the first part is, so I said the knees, but before that, we actually want to make sure that you're locked into the compás. So you really want to emphasize the compás, all right? So the first level is hitting those accents. We have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's the first thing. You need to be able to really feel confident in that compás. Now, I know when you're learning that, the compás is like one of those things that's really kind of challenging to hold on to. So it's important to be able to drill using slow solo compás, which we will do. All right, so we had the first one was the locking into the compás. The next one is we want to relax the knees. So you'll see there's a difference between, keeping the knees somewhat straight or the legs somewhat straight and the knees kind of locked in, and the next one would be relaxing, so that you are able to elongate your moves and provide a little bit more lift, okay? So that's the second one. Now the next one is actually relaxing the hips, okay? So rather than being kind of stiff, you want to relax the hips. All right, so that means that you are going to relax the knees and let the hip move. Relax, and let it move. Okay. All right, so we have compás, knees, relax the hips. All right, now the next one is adding that upper body, So right now we'll just kind of leave our hands and our arms down, but we want to be able to twist as we go. So the first part would be if we're going along, we're in compás, we're doing the moves, but the upper body is just stiff. Nothing is happening. So now we want to add a little bit more color to it. So we have and out, ba-dum, ba, and now twist, bum, ba-da. Out with the hands and twist, ba-dum, ba-da, and out with the hands and twist, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba, ba, ba-dum, ba-dum. All right, so now we had locking into the compás, relaxing the knees, relaxing the hips, using the upper body with a twist. Now the final one is having a breath in between the compás. So it's kind of like you're anticipating that 12 by taking a breath. All right, so that looks like ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba-da, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba-da. So it's kind of like you're taking a little breath, and sometimes your shoulders kind of go boop, 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 just as an accent, not every time. So you don't want to do it every time because it looks too strange. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to practice this with solo compás. We're going to start off like stiff, and then we're going to slowly add the elements to relax it so you can feel more in the movement. Let's do it. So this solo compás is at 100 beats per minute. Okay. So we have and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's lock in with the compás. Ba, ba, ba-dum, ba-dum, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. And now let's relax the knees. Relax the knees. Ba, ba. So you have a little bit of levels in there. Ba, ba, ba-dum, ba-da. Now let's relax the hip. Relax the hips. Ba, ba-dum, ba-dum. Relax the hips. Relax the hips. Bum, ba-dum. And now the arms out. And now twist, twist, bum, ba-dum, and out with the hands, and twist. And now let's do the breath. Ba-dum, ba, ba, ba-da, ba-da, ba, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba-dum. All right, let's go a little faster. 12, and 2, 3, and 5, 6, then 8, 9, 10. So compás, 2, 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 2, 3, 6, 8, 10. And now relax the knees, relax the knees. Ba, ba-dum, ba-da, bam. And also keep that heel up a little bit. And now we're going to relax the hip, hip, ba, ba-da, ba-da, hip, hip, and now the upper body, up, out, up with the chest, twist, lift up that chest, twist, and now breathe. Ba-da-ba-ba. Ba-da, ba, ba-da, ba, ba. Again. Ba-da, ba, ba-da, ba-da, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba-da. Ole. So that was a quick little tiny masterclass on how to dance more grounded, getting rid of the Frankenstein moves to be a little bit more relaxed and a little bit más flamenca in your movement. If you enjoyed this, I encourage you to check out my other free resources in the description below. And if you're ready to continue on in a more structured, supportive environment, join me inside my Online Flamenco Studio. There's a link below for a free 10-day trial, and you can join other dancers from around the world to speak, feel, and dance flamenco with our lessons in choreography, technique, flamenco theory. We have workouts, we have challenges, we have live practice sessions, live trainings, and so much more. So thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time.